designation thread SOLIDWORKS in the path document with the detail. From the drop-down menu Insert, go to the annotation and activate command cosmetic thread. Show on the circular edge of the start to the thread, and in Run dialog box set the thread. OK, and then save the document. On the draw document, add the view model, double click and insert front, in the same way to create a cosmetic thread. On the sketch toolbar, activate the Smart Dimension. Insert, annotation, cosmetic thread, and show. Next step, Smart Dimension, and set on the thread. The size text, inscription modium, is replaced by symbol of character thread, maybe M. Sorry.